Welcome aboard, fellow explorers, as we embark on an incredible journey into the unseen depths of Earth's atmosphere. This invisible ocean of air that surrounds our planet holds many mysteries and plays a crucial role in supporting life as we know it. Our atmospheric adventure begins with understanding the composition of this weightless sea of gases. The atmosphere is primarily nitrogen, making up around 78%, followed by oxygen at 21%. The remaining 1% consists of other gases like argon and carbon dioxide, and a variable amount of water vapor, which plays a pivotal role in shaping our weather patterns. Next, picture the atmosphere as a grand layered cake. Each layer, distinct and unique, serves a specific purpose. The first layer, the troposphere, is our weather playground. Here, we encounter everything from gentle breezes to raging storms. The temperature in this layer decreases by an average of 3.5 degrees Fahrenheit or 2 degrees Celsius for every 1,000 feet we ascend. This boundary, known as the tropopause, separates the troposphere from the next layer. Above the troposphere lies the stratosphere, a serene layer with few weather disturbances. Interestingly, temperatures in the stratosphere increase with altitude, making it the preferred cruising altitude for high-altitude aircrafts. Moving further up, we reach the mesosphere, where temperatures initially increase, then plummet to around -130 degrees Fahrenheit. This layer, with its unique characteristics, never ceases to amaze. Our final stop is the thermosphere, where temperatures can fluctuate between 1,380 degrees Fahrenheit and 2,280 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on solar activity. Now let's delve into the ozonosphere, a crucial region where sunlight reacts with oxygen molecules to create a protective layer of ozone. This layer shields us from harmful ultraviolet and infrared radiation. Last but not least, we explore the ionosphere. Here, the sun's radiation interacts with atmospheric particles, causing them to gain or lose electrons and form ions. So what have we discovered on our atmospheric journey? We've unveiled the composition of the atmosphere and its 4 distinct layers. We've also journeyed through the ozonosphere and the ionosphere, uncovering their vital roles. Let's test our newfound knowledge. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the mysteries of Earth's atmosphere. Until our next exploration, keep looking up and wondering.
Have you ever wondered what's beyond the sky we see? Welcome to our exploration of the atmosphere, the invisible yet vital blanket that wraps our planet Earth. Now let's dive into a fun quiz to see what you've learned. First question, can you tell what essential process plants help with? Yes, you're right. It's photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert carbon dioxide and sunlight into oxygen and glucose. Now think about the atmospheric layers we've discussed. Can you recall 2 key facts about each one? That's a challenge, isn't it? Well, keep those facts handy. They'll serve you well. Here's another one. What is the first layer where most weather phenomena occur? If you said the troposphere, you're correct. It's the closest to the Earth and where all our weather happens. And do you remember the standard lapse rate for temperature in the troposphere? It's about 3.5 degrees Fahrenheit or 2 degrees Celsius for every 1,000 feet. Now let's move higher. In which layer does the temperature increase with altitude? That's the stratosphere. Well done. But what about the layer where temperatures first increase, then sharply decrease? That's the mesosphere. And can you guess the temperature at the top of the mesosphere? It's about -130 degrees Fahrenheit. The thermosphere is next. Can you recall the temperature range there and what it depends on? Usually it's between 1,380 degrees Fahrenheit and 2,280 degrees Fahrenheit, and it depends on solar activity. And do you remember at what altitude the thermosphere begins? It starts at about 50 miles up. Now, what delivers energy from the sun? That's right, solar radiation. How about convection in the context of the atmosphere? It is the transfer of heat through the movement of air masses. And can you tell what differences cause variations leading to what? Differences in temperature cause variations in air pressure leading to the movement of air and thus weather. Can you distinguish between weather and climate? Weather is the short-term atmospheric condition in a specific place, while climate is the long-term average of weather patterns in a region. Finally, can you define smog? It's a type of air pollution resulting from a mixture of smoke and fog, often worsened by vehicle emissions and industrial pollutants. Well, that concludes our atmospheric journey. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of the air that surrounds our planet. Remember, the atmosphere is not just a backdrop, It's a dynamic, essential force that sustains life on Earth. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.